Okay. So Titan Capital Markets, we're actually a company that is based in Australia. What we do is we provide financial education courses as well as trading systems and strategies to our members. We are an integrated educational and financial group. We are also being regulated by WikiFX, and WikiFX is actually a third-party global authoritative forex broker query platform. So what do? They actually recognize our company, and they have given us a rating of 7.30, and that is after they have assessed different parts of our businesses. So WikiFX, they are regulating more than 40,000 brokers around the world, and Titan Capital Markets, we are one of the companies that they are regulating. Aside from that, we are also regulated by Australian Securities and Investments Commission of Australia, as well as Canada's FINTRAC. We also hold two licenses. That's the Australian Financial Services License and the Money Services Business License. Now, last August this year, we started with the countries in Asia Pacific as well as in Africa. Right now, we are expanding our global footprint in the countries in Europe as well as Latin and South America. So for Africa, we're actually in Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Kenya, Togo, as well as Namibia and South Africa. Now, let me present our CEO. Our CEO is Mr. Howard Yan. He actually has an EMBA degree from University of Hong Kong, and he has more than 20 years of extensive experience in different financial related fields. So for Titan Capital Markets, he is our CEO, and what he does is he actually oversees the execution of the company's global corporate strategies as well as our operational objectives. Now, for awards and recognition, last September 25 to 26, we attended the Wiki Expo in Dubai, wherein we received the awards. That's the Best Innovative Forex Broker Award, as well as the Most Trusted Algorithmic Trading Platform Award. This year, we are also set to receive another award from the FinTech Innovation Awards. Now, this is the Wiki Expo in Dubai that I was talking about. So it happened last September 25 and 26. So not only we participated in this Wiki Expo, we are also one of their major global sponsors. So in this picture right here, you can see the different African leaders, the leaders from different countries in Asia Pacific that we invited to join us during the Wiki Expo in Dubai. So you can see their leaders from Cameroon, Ghana. So our top leader, Mr. Emmanuel Banner, is also right here. The second picture shows you our CEO, Mr. Howard Yan, receiving the two awards that I mentioned earlier. And this picture is some of our Indian leaders. Now, during that Wiki Expo in Dubai, Titan Capital Markets also had their Titan Gala dinner. Now, this Titan Gala dinner was set in order for the different leaders around the world to meet the management and get to know one another. The CEO also had his book signing event during that night. Now, the Wiki Expo in Dubai is just first of the many global finance events we're going to participate into. We're also going to participate in the FinTech World Expo that will be in China, the Innovative Financial Expo in Thailand, and the Traders Fair and Awards in Vietnam. So for media and accolades now, so one of that is the Global Banking and Finance Review magazine, as well as the Global Brands magazine. Aside from that, we are also invited in the London Stock Exchange for an exclusive media interview. Now, all of this, we're going to use it in order for us to reach a wider audience and inform them about our innovative trading platform, as well as the future plans of the company. We also have our Titan Foundation. So this Titan Foundation is here in order for us to give back to the society. So Titan Capital Markets, we establish a perfect digital tutoring program that allows us to reach the children from different remote areas. So this would allow us to bring our resources to all corners around the world and engage in our corporate social responsibility. Now, aside from the Titan Digital Tutoring Program, we're also going to have a global donation programs. So one is a school in Ghana, that's the Nautical Goodwill School in Nungo. And we also have two schools in Vietnam. So here for our global donation programs, we'll be providing them some stationaries, some things that the school needs. And a good news is that 100% of the book sales of the CEO is going to the charities that we are supporting. Now, for our assured financial contracts, so Titan Capital Markets, we know how important it is for you guys to keep your capital secured. That's why we have this partnership with WikiFX, where we participated in their EPC program. Now, in this EPC program, we have this highest legal aid A protection for each of our members. So it gives you a principal protection of up to $3,000. So that's both for your trading capital and your trading profits. Now, for our membership system, we have here 4 subscription fees. We have a $30 subscription, $100 subscription, $300 subscription, and the $1,000 subscription. So what will you get once you subscribe with Titan Capital Markets? Okay, so first you will get our trading tool, or you'll be able to access our trading tool. So for the $30 subscription, that's the 3-way arbitrage trading system. For the $100 to $1,000 package, you'll be able to use our 3-way arbitrage trading system, as well as our professional copy trading team. So for the $30 subscription, you'll get also an educational video. For the $30 subscription, you'll get the basic course. For the $100 to $1,000 package, you get both our financial courses. So that's the basic course and the master course. Now, these educational videos are professionally made by our head traders. So for basic course, that's 12 sets of videos that will teach you very basic about the Forex. And for Masterclass courses, these are another 12 sets of videos that will teach you something more in-depth about Forex trading. Now, for the trading limit, each of the subscription fee has a different trading limit. So for the $30 subscription, the trading limit is from $10 to $45. For the $100 subscription, it's up to $200. For the $300 subscription, it's up to $900. And for the $1,000 package, the trading limit would be up to $5,000. Now, for our $30 and $100 subscription, we don't have a royalty. But for the $300 and $1,000 subscription, we have what we call the royalties. Now, the royalties are like your money back, wherein you'll get the subscription fee of a specific percentage every day, and it would just stop once you reach the full amount. So for example, you subscribe with the $300 package, you have a royalties of 0.15% daily. So 0.15% of your subscription fee will go back to you daily and will just stop once you reach the full amount of $300. Now, for the $1,000 subscription, your royalties is 0.20%. So once again, you'll receive 0.20% of your subscription fee that would just stop once you reach the full amount of $1,000 package. Now, all of our subscription fees are one-time payment only. So it's not like your gym membership wherein you have to renew it monthly. So once you subscribe with Titan Capital Markets, you pay the subscription fee once. You are automatically a member of Titan Capital Markets for a lifetime. Now, for our stable and profitable copy trading system, first we have the Titan Trading Bot. This has a high win rate of 99.9%. And what is our edge here? This one, we have a transaction speed of less than 0.4 seconds, which is very vital when you are entering your trades in Forex. You also have direct API connectivity access to top 20 liquidity providers worldwide, and we utilize top international servers. Now, for the arbitrage trading contract, this is the TA arbitrage that you saw from the subscription fees. This is the trading tool that you can use, which is available for $30 to the $1,000 subscription. So if you follow this contract, it has a contract period of Monday to Friday. So the contract days here is 5 days. So what can you get after 5 days? You get an expected return of 2.8 to 3.3%. And if the expected return goes below 2%, you still have a guaranteed return per contract of 2%. We have a system usage fee of 10% from your trading returns. Now, why can we give you this guaranteed return per contract of 2%? So if you will look on this part of the screen, you can see here our trading performance from January 7, June 24. The bot trading has a performance, lowest performance is 2.85%, and it goes as high as 3.32%, giving you an average monthly return of 12.4%. Now, for our professional trading teams, we have two teams. First is the Wise Wings. Wise Wings is a team that is led by our head trader, Mr. Anthony Jefferson, and his team has an average of 12 years of Forex trading experience. So here they use the hedging strategy that includes the direct hedging strategy, TX hedging strategy, and the correlation hedging strategy. We also have Firefox, and it's a team that is led by our head trader, Mr. Emmanuel Peterson, and the team has an average of 20 years of Forex trading experience. So here they use the grid trading strategies that includes the pure trading grid, modified trading grid, and the infinite trading grid. So for trading performance, Wise Wings has an average monthly return of 17.11%. And for Firefox, that's 25.53%. Now, for the Titan copy trading contract, this is the copy trading contract that is available for the $100 subscriber or the $1,000 subscriber. So, in what this one is available, we have Wise Wings for now. So we have two contract period. We have 1st to 15th of the month, and 2nd the 16th up to the last day of the month. The contract days here is 15 days. So what can you get after 15 days? You can get an expected return of 8.2 to 8.8%. Now, in the event that the expected return goes below 7%, you still have a guaranteed return per contract of 7%. We have a management fee of 5% from your trading returns. Now, why do we have the most competitive financial product? First, we have a low entry barrier. So with minimum of $10, you can already start trading in Forex. We also give you high returns. So that's a monthly return of 10% to 30%. We provide you with low risk trading, which is made possible because of our bot trading and our exclusive copy trade system that ensures that we give you a low risk trading possible. Now, we also give you short trading term. So with a minimum of 5 days, it ensures that you have the flexibility of your capital. We also give you capital assurance. So with the use of the EPC program with our partnership with WikiFX, it provides our members with double protection of up to $3,000, both for your trading capital and your trading profits. Now let's talk about our Global Partners Program. So for our Global Partners Program, we have our community participation rewards. So this rewards include 6 rewards. First 4 rewards is actually based on your subscription fee or calculated based on your subscription fee. So that's the referral reward, pairing reward, development rewards, and partner rewards. Number 5 and 6, which is the tier dividends and super leadership dividends, is actually calculated based on the amount of trade returns. So let's talk about the first one. First one is the referral rewards. So if you're a $30 subscriber, that means you get 10% of referral rewards. Now, if you're a $100 subscriber, $300 subscriber, and $1,000 subscriber, you get 15% of referral rewards. So for example, you subscribe with $300 and you refer your friend that's also subscribed with $300. So what will you get? You'll get 15% of referral rewards, would be equal to $45. Second reward is what we call the pairing reward. So here you're Titan and you have a community on your left and right. That means you get a pairing of 12% that would come from your smaller community sales. So let's look at this illustration. For the first illustration, you're a $300 subscriber. You have a community on your left and right. Your community B has a total sales of $5,000 and your community C has a total sales of $2,000. So the pairing reward, that's 12% that would come from your smaller community sales. So here that's $2,000. So we get 12% of the $2,000, which will give you a pairing reward of $240. Now, the remaining sales of the larger community, which is 3,000, that would be accumulated on the next sales. Now, let's look at the second illustration. You're B. You're a $100 subscriber and you have a community on your left and right. You have a community D that has a total sales of $4,000 and your community E that has a total sales of $1,000. Once again, the pairing reward is calculated based on the smaller community sales. So here it's the $1,000. Now for the pairing reward and development reward, we have what we call the daily upper limit cap. Your daily upper limit cap is actually equal to your subscription fee. So from the $1,000, the pairing reward is 12% of that. So that would be $120. However, based on the daily upper limit cap, since you're a $100 subscriber, you'll get a pairing reward of $100. Now, what can you do in order for you to get the $20 or for the $20 not to be excluded from the calculation? What you can do is you upgrade your subscription to $300 subscription, and the remaining sales of the larger community, which is 3,000, that would be accumulated on the next sales as well. Third reward is what we call development rewards. So usually in networking business, the people on top always earns from the people below them. Now for the development rewards, aside from earning from people below you will also earn from the people above you or from the people that referred you to the business. So here you're Titan and you refer one friend. That means that you get 10% of the pairing reward of the first level above you. If you refer 3 friends, that means that you get another 5% of pairing rewards of the second level above you. And if you refer 5 friends, that means that you get another 5% of the pairing reward of the third level above you. Now we have the fourth reward, which is the Titan Partner Rewards. Now this rewards includes 5 different rankings. So that's the junior partner, senior partner, executive partner, junior executive partner, and the senior executive partner. Now, how can you get onto these rankings? We have a specific accumulated earnings. So for example, for the junior partner, in order for you to achieve that rank, you need an accumulated earning of $500 all the way to $100,000 for you to become a senior executive partner. Now, where can you get this accumulated earnings? The accumulated earnings comes from the first 5 rewards that I mentioned. So we have the referral rewards, the pairing rewards, development rewards, this Titan partner rewards, as well as the next one, which is the tiered dividends. Now, once you achieve each rank, you have specific partner rewards percentage that you can get. So for a junior partner, you get 2% all the way to 10% senior executive partner. So this partner rewards are 2% for the junior partner. So whatever comes or whatever new sales comes from your community, you'll get 2% of that if you are a junior partner. Fifth one is what we call the tier dividends. This one actually is now based on your community trade returns. Now, if you're a $30 subscriber, you get 5% of community trade returns of up to 3 levels of your community. If you're a $100 subscriber, you get 5% of community trade returns of up to 5 levels in your community. And if you're a $300 subscriber, that means you get 5% of community trade returns of up to 8 levels of your community. And if you're a $1,000 subscriber, that means for your first level, or from the people that you referred, for example, here you're Titan, and for your first level, you refer your 5 friends. Your 5 friends, they traded, and from their trading returns, you get 20%. Now, for your second level, from the people that they referred, you'll get 10% of their community trade returns. Now, for their third to 8 levels, you'll get 5% of community trade returns. So that would give you, if you're a $1,000 subscriber, 60% of tier dividends from the community trade returns of your community. Hold on. Okay, let me continue. 6 is a super leadership dividends. So if you remember earlier from the Titan Partner Rewards, the highest rank you can get is the Senior Executive Partner. Now, in order to qualify for the Super Leadership Dividends, you need to become a Senior Executive Partner and help one of your members or one person in your community to become a Senior Executive as well, and you'll have the title of Hermes. If you have the title of Hermes, that means you get 5% of the community trade returns of your entire community. Now, if you have two senior executive partners from two different communities, that means you get 10% of your entire community trade returns. If you help three people to become a senior executive partner from three different communities, it will give you 15% of the entire community trade returns. And if you have four senior executive partner from four different communities, it will give you 20% of their entire community trade returns. Now, here are some things that you need to know for the Global Partners Program. The daily rewards limit, which is based on your subscription fee, is applicable for the pairing rewards and development rewards. Rewards payout, referral rewards is actually automatic. Once you refer someone and they activate it, you will get the referral rewards. However, for the pairing reward, the development reward, and the partner rewards, which are all calculated based on your subscription fee, that would be tabulated daily, which is 12 a.m. Australian time. Now, for the dividends payout, the tier dividends, it would be calculated based on the contract that your team members follow. So for example, they follow the 5-day contract or the 15-day contract. That's when you get your tier dividends. For the super leadership dividends, it is calculated first of every month. Now for withdrawal and admin fees, so once you withdraw, there's you get that's T plus 3. That means you get your withdrawal within 72 hours, and we have 5% admin fees. Now, this is something that is very important for you to get because we have this 45-day stimulus campaign. So what is this 45-day stimulus campaign? This 45-day stimulus campaign is actually allows you to kickstart your partnership tier. So if you remember the fourth reward, which is the Titan Partner Rewards, this 45 days will help you achieve your rank faster. So the 45 days allows you to get your ranks faster. So how does this work? For example, this is your first day joining Titan Capital Markets. You have 45 days to for the stimulus campaign. So whatever your accumulated earning is after 45 days, we compute that twice. So for example, you have an accumulated earning of 1,500 within 45 days. We'll compute that twice, allowing you to get $3,000 or 3,000 as your accumulated earning. So from a junior partner, you will now become a senior partner, allowing you to get 4% of partner rewards. So this 45-day stimulus campaign, the actual earnings here will be excluded. This would just be used in order for you to achieve your rank faster. Aside from that, we also have the Titan Supreme Challenge. So this started last September 25 and will end on 31st of March next year. So in order for you to qualify for this, you need to have a specific number of sales in your smaller community. So for example, you have 1,500 in your smaller community sales. That means you get a phone that is worth $150. You have 10,000 worth of sales. That would give you a laptop worth $1,000. You have 50,000 sales in your smaller community, which will give you Apple products worth $5,000. And you have 200,000 on sales. That means you get 20,000 worth of executive car. And if you have $1 million on your smaller community sales, you get a luxury car worth 100,000. Now, from this Titan Supreme Challenge, we will choose top 30 performers that would join us in the Titan Black Tie event. So this Titan Black Tie event would allow you to have a Korea luxury trip, attend the Titan Black Tie event wherein you'll be able to see or sit down with the management team, meet our CEO, and as well as the other performer or top performers from the Supreme Challenge. And you will also be invited to watch a preeminent royal court music that is also in Seoul City. So that's it for Titan Capital Markets. I hope you get something from me, and if you have any questions, just let me know.
Thank you very much, Red. Thanks a lot for the presentation.
You're
So
welcome.
you can come in. You can come in now. Ask your question. Mr. Prince Jed, Mr. Prince Jed, ask your question. Kenyas, you can ask your question now. So
You can unmute, guys.
omit and ask questions.
Here.
Mr. Nathaniel, can you talk to your people? They've been here. Please omit and ask question, please. So we can move way forward.
Hello, guys. Yeah, Babane.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Hi,
Good,
Mr. Jared.
good. Nice having you guys here. I know we have great leaders here. We have okay, Prince Kanja, and then we have which one? Babane, you are the Scooby Doo, right? And Jared.
No, it's
Jared.
Nathaniel. Nathaniel is Scooby-Doo. Nathaniel.
Okay, Nathaniel. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so leaders, any question? I know you guys listening to the presentation, and I know you guys actually have questions. You know, this is the chance you've gotten. This is a chance you've gotten because Red actually is the marketing consultant for Titan Capital Market. So for you to have Red here, it's a blessing, okay? Because you are speaking to management directly. So this is the time. I think you guys, I saw they're asking questions and nobody is raising his hands to ask questions. And, you know, let's ask questions. This is management. This is company, you know? Yeah. So anybody has question?
Hi, Mr. Jared. Nice to meet you.
Yes, I would like to ask a question kindly.
Sure.
Thank you so much for the nice business presentation, and also thanks for taking your time to come and be with us. So my question is in the area of binary, because I can see the company has some kind of binary where you build the leg here and there. So from the past experience, I know that most companies that operate on binary system, at some point, once the business builds up, normally it's not sustainable for the company. Where once the business builds up, at the start, it works so perfectly. But once the grows big, I've seen many companies going through various challenges, companies that work with binary. So what would you say kindly in regards to this? Thank you.
Okay. All right. So I understand your concern. But for Titan Capital Markets, if you can see our Global Partners Program, each rewards that we have, each percentage that we have for each reward we have is actually well computed. So we know how it would be stable, as actually sustainable for the company to follow this Global Partners Rewards because we are expecting a lot of people to come in. So if you see the referral rewards from the pairing rewards, the development rewards, even the Titan partner rewards, all of the percentage here are we studied about it and we know the calculations that we're going to do. This actually something that the company really thought about. So it's not something that would make the company unstable, even if we had a lot of members coming in.
Okay, can I come in? Jared, can I come in?
Ken,
Sure, you
please.
can now.
Good.
Okay.
Jared, first of
Yeah.
all, before you choose a program or before you choose a company, right, you need to consider many, many things, right? So look at Titan Capital Markets, right? We have the subscription, okay, and the binary commission is paid based on the subscription, okay, and the trading is also different, right? So look at this situation. Many companies actually, when you come on board, okay, when you pay $1,000, out of the $1,000, like 20% or 30% or 40% is even paid as referral commission. You get what I'm saying? Right. So in companies' portfolio, right, they have it that, oh, out of your $1,000, we have only $600 in the trading wallet because we have used $400 to pay for referral commissions, right? That's for any other company, right? But when you look at Titan Capital Markets, the subscription actually is what is paid, direct referral commission, and also when we were talking about the pairing bonus, okay, subscription is used to pay, okay, and then the trading also goes straight into the trading wallet. What I mean is that if you have $100 subscription, that's what is paid for referrals, okay, but your trading, when you put $150 for your trading or $200 for your trading, that $200 goes straight into your account. That's your trading wallet. That's company's trading. No referral commission is paid instantly when the trading, you have your trading amount in your trading wallet, right? So this actually, company has this actually to actually make sure everything is sustainable, okay? Sustainability. And secondly, also, we have the income cap also as well, which also makes sure everything is sustainable, well paid, right? So company has everything in place to actually make sure that sustainability when it comes to Titan is well prepared. Okay, that is why you can be very confident about the company, because company actually, the plan that we have is totally different from many other companies. They are struggling because maybe they don't have the well structured system, right? We have the well structured system that will make it sustainable for a very long time.
Yeah, I can also show the trading platform that we have, so we better understand how the we get from other profits from trading. So we have, let me show you this. I hope you can see the screen. So this one is actually the Titan's very own trading platform. So for our trading platform, we actually have three accounts. So one is for the bot trading, one is for Wise Wings, and one is for Firefox. Now, this account that we have here is actually for Wise Wings. And the three accounts that we have a starting balance of $100 million. Now, Titan Capital Markets, we are actually trading with more than 50 currency pairs. So we're trading major currency pairs, which is the mostly traded currency pairs in the market. We're also trading the minor currency pairs. We also have the crosses and the exotics. The exotics are the least traded currency pairs in the market because they are less volatile. So let's look in the part of the screen. So on this part of the screen, you can see the lot size and the price that our liquidity providers is giving us. So these are the lot sizes that they're willing to buy and sell and the prices that they have. So the highest one right here, the highlighted part, these are actually the best prices that we have on top. And if you would go check it out on the market, we have the best prices possible. Now on this part of the screen, you can see here the balance. The balance is actually the total amount of money that we have for this account. So for this account, we have a total of $160 million. The equity actually is the amount of money that we have plus or minus any profit or losses that we are making. Margin is actually what we deposit or what is locked into our liquidity providers whenever we enter any single trade. Free margin is actually the amount of money available for trading. Margin level is a notification level that indicates how healthy this account is. So for margin level, we don't want it to fall below 100% because that would mean that we cannot do any trades anymore. But if we have live trades, our margin right here would be in its five-figure level. So that goes from 18,000 to 85,000 in percentage. That just ensures you that this account is very healthy and it's actively making profits. Now, on this part of the screen right here, if we have ongoing trades, you will see them here. But since we don't have, let me show you our account history. Now, for account history, you can see here the trades that we have already finished. So the order number is whenever we enter any single trade, we have a specific order number for them. Open time is when we entered a trade. So as you can see right here, we entered trades. This three trades right here, we entered in a same at the same time. Wherein if you are a manual trader, you won't be able to do that. But since we have the bot trading, we were able to do it. So we also have here the type that's either buy or sell. We also have here the lot sizes. So one lot is actually equal to 100,000 units. So this single trade right here, we're actually trading 26.4 million of this currency pair. Symbol is actually the currency pair that we are trading. So if you can see Titan Capital Markets, we are trading in large volumes. So that's it goes from 100 lots up to 400 lots. This is the open price when we enter the trade. Stop loss and profit, it's actually both zero because it's already integrated in our system. So we also have here the close time. Close time is actually when we exited the trade, and the close price when we exited the trade. Also pay commission to our liquidity providers. So that's 20% per lot. Swap is actually like a storage fee if we have leave trades overnight. But since Titan Capital Market is a day trader, that means we don't leave the trades overnight. So we don't have to pay for the swap. You can also see here our profit or even the losses that we're making. So there, and also the comment is the strategy that is used. The reason why we're showing you this is actually to show you how transparent Titan Capital Market is. And if you're a member of Titan Capital Markets, you can also use this to do your copy trading on your own MT4 and MT5. Now, for the last 3 months, we have actually made a profit of $47 billion. And the deposit that you can see right here is actually what our members put into trading. Where if you follow Y swings, it would go to the deposit right here. Withdrawal for the last 3 months, we were able to make a withdrawal of $110 million. So this is Titan Capital Markets' very own trading platform. Yeah. So I hope you get a better understanding of how the company goes, Mr. Jared.
I think that is clear. That is very clear, and I'm happy to learn that the referrals are paid on the subscriptions, kind of on the membership. That is very key. So again, if I would just okay, maybe I didn't catch the minimum investment apart from the subscriptions. I didn't understand the minimum investment and the maximum that someone can come in.
So for subscription fees, that's actually from $30 to $1,000. And for the trading, you can put a minimum of $10 and up to $5,000 for a $1,000 package. For the $300 package, that's actually $10 to $900. If you choose the $100 package, your trading limit would be from $10 to $200. And if you choose the $30 package, that's from $10 to $45. Is that clear?
Okay.
Sorry, is that clear? Okay.
Oh, I think I get it now. Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
Thank you for that.
All right. Sure. Mr. Do you have any other questions, Mr. Jared?
Not really. So it means someone can't even do like if someone wants to invest like $1 million, they can't invest.
No. Sorry, we are an actual educational financial group. So the main reason why Titan Capital Markets is here actually is to provide education to our members. That's why we have the subscription fee that includes the educational videos that will allow you to trade in Forex, is actually giving you a skill that would teach you how to earn money. Aside from that, we also allow our members to earn with the use of our trading platform, but that also is limited from the trading limits that we set. So we're not actually looking for investors that would invest money on us. What we want is to help the people learn about Forex trading and to learn about how to make money and how to keep it.
Wow. So
Yeah.
now I just the last question actually.
Sure.
So many questions. So
Oh, no,
now
it's
that this
okay.
is this is an educational company,
Mhm.
I'm looking forward maybe in future to have like physical or offline forex tradings in various countries. That is,
Yes,
and
yes.
that would call for establishing a
An
premise.
academy. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. That is actually in the works for several countries now that we're into. So that's what we're looking for. So for now, what we have is the educational videos that would be in your back end. But once we reach your market, when we go to your country, our main goal is actually to put up an academy and have offline trainings and lessons that would teach you to trade forex offline.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Jared. Anything else? You can ask your questions, guys. It's fine.
Mr. Gerard,
Yes,
Gerard,
Mr.
can you hear me?
Yes,
So
I
this
can.
management, so we'll take over Kenya with Titan. At least in the next 1 month, we should have a lot of members in Titan Capital Markets. So you can also talk to management on how I told them because I let them know that you're a leader over there. So what are your plans?
No, there's my
Can you hear
upline
me?
here. My
Okay, Mr.
upline is
P.
actually Kanja. Miss Prince Kanja is
Okay.
actually is
All
my
right.
upline.
Mr.
You
Prince,
can also
can you hear me?
Oh,
yeah.
I'm
I
here, I'm
think
here.
he's driving. Are you okay, Mr. Prince, to talk?
Sorry, I'm okay. I'm driving, but I'm listening. I've enjoyed the
Okay.
presentation. Thank you so much. You've said, let me get your name. Let me get your name.
It's Dread.
Red.
It's Dread.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're Red. Ah, I've enjoyed the presentation. I've been driving, but it's been nice. Jared has asked all the questions. I think I'm also satisfied. I don't know what you said about the marketing plan of the company. That is maybe what I didn't get clearly.
Sorry, Mr. Prince. Can you repeat that?
I'm asking, what is the marketing plan of the company? What are their plans for the promotion of the company?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. So for now, I think we are looking to different partnership. Aside from being in the countries that we are right now, moving or putting different consultants in different countries, we're actually looking into sponsoring different sports teams. So we're looking into sponsoring teams in the PGA, even NBA, as well as actually APT for tennis. So that's what we're looking into right now.
Okay. So maybe Mr. Nani Scooby or Nathaniel or Banabe. Is it Banabe?
I think it's Mr. Babane.
Babane.
Yeah.
Babane. So I think you will share the PDF of the presentation of the company. So maybe we can go through with Jared and we can see where to start and what to do. So are you going to start us off? Are you going to start us off a package for us, or how do you do it?
Sorry, Mr. Prince, can you repeat that?
I'm asking, are you going to start us off? Maybe a package or something like that?
Oh, I think you can talk to Mr. Babane for that.
Okay.
Yeah. You can discuss with them how you would like to start moving in with your team. But what I can do for you guys is actually if you need anything, marketing, propagandas, or the presentation that I used, I would very much be willing to share it with you guys.
Can I come in? Yeah.
So
So
go ahead.
basically, I think we have Jared here, and then we have Prince Kanja. We have So Prince Kanja, you're from Kenya, right? And then
Yes, I'm from Kenya.
what about Jared?
Jared is also from Kenya, but we are from two different cities.
Okay, that's fine. So I actually joined this Zoom actually, me being one of the African representative for Titan Capital Markets, and we looking at expanding our team. and also expanding the network in the whole of Africa. But you can see we are in many countries. And Babane actually spoke to me about you guys. I was like, okay, let me join this Zoom and also talk to you guys, your plans and the plans you have and how you want to achieve success with Titan.
Yes.
But I hope you guys all are activated members.
Mr. Prince. Mr.
Yes,
Prince, can you hear me?
I didn't get the question clearly, please.
Mr.
Babane, you
Prince.
can just repeat
Yeah.
the question. I didn't
So
get
what
it
happened is
clearly.
that Mr. Emmanuel is the African representative of Titan. So the what you asked initially for Mr. Red, can you recap and tell him your plans of marketing? So he's the right person to talk to now. So say it, let him hear your marketing plan.
Let me introduce Mr. Emmanuel Banner properly. Actually, Mr. Emmanuel Banner is the top leader in Africa. So, and he actually has a very good relationship with the management, because he gets the news firsthand from his upline that is very close or a good friend of the CEO. So you are actually in a very great team. And right now, during this meeting, I think it's the best time for you, Mr. Prince, to discuss how you would like to move in with your in Kenya. So let me give the floor now to Mr. Manuel, so you guys can talk.
Thank you, Red. Thank you, Red.
Yes. Maybe we can start with Jared. Jared is my business associate here in Kenya. Maybe we can hear from Jared.
So Jared, what's your plan for Kenya? What's your plan to take over the whole of Kenya? Come out with a plan. Let's brainstorm, and then we take it from there, right? Because right now, after this meeting, I just want to see you guys on fire. Just let me know what would actually push you guys to move, do well. You can ask me the future plan we have, whatever future plan we have for Kenya, future plans that we have for the team also as well. Just let me know. The most important thing, I want you guys to feel comfortable working with Titan Capital Markets, and also you guys to know that you really belongs to the right team. You are in the right team, right? So what's the plan? Jared, I can't hear you.
You're muted, Mr. Jared.
Sorry. Sorry, I was muted. Okay. Now, I was saying, for me, how I approach my marketing is because, I'm a leader in my own capacity. And I believe that to establish a concept, I need to gather the like-minded people who are like me, and then I sell the concept to them. So that will be the first step for me. That means I have to meet the leaders. I'm in a city called Nakuru. I have to meet the leaders in Nakuru. I meet a few leaders in Nairobi. I meet a few leaders. We meet with them in Eldoret with Prince Kanja. We do Kisumu, and we move like that. Once we sell the concept and we let them buy into the idea. And I believe that by doing that, we are not only going to move and selling the concept, but also getting some people buying the subscriptions. So basically that's how I first of all initiate my marketing plan. Once that runs in place, once I get leaders who can stand with me, because again, you see, you can't work alone. Even if the concept is so good, they have to work with them. And one thing I've come to learn also, mostly in Africa, people tend to buy the idea when actually the thing makes money for them. So that means that once we get these leaders in place, and then they start seeing some money once they buy the subscription and they put in the trading. I believe that with time, maybe in a week or two, they start seeing some results. I still don't understand the withdrawal procedure. Also, maybe I didn't ask about the broker that the company uses, because I saw something that looks like a metaphor that Madam Reds was displaying. So once we do that, you know, success, once we start having some success, that's what will pull in the crowd. And that way we'll be able to get so many in place in all the cities. That's how personally I approach my marketing. And that's how I equally intend to do it even right here. So Mr. Manuel, that's fun. Thank you.
Okay, Emma, let me just come in first, okay? So let me clear up something about the trading platform. Actually, it's not an MT4 or MT5. It's actually the Titan Capital Markets' very own trading platform. So we're not using MT4 or MT5. We don't also have a broker because we have a direct access to our liquidity providers. So when it comes to trading, so once you subscribe with Titan Capital Markets and you choose a trading contract you want to follow, either the 5 days or 15 days, there is a specific ROI or expected return that you can get, either 5 days or 15 days, whichever contract you want to follow. It's like you put your money on the trading platform and then Titan Capital Markets will trade for you and you'll get an expected return at the end of every contract that is either 5 days or 15 days. I hope it's clear now.
Very clear, very clear.
Yeah,
Very
so
clear.
Jared, I like your plan, like Nakuru and Nairobi and other targets, right? So Nakuru is a good place. Nairobi is also a good place. And I think when you gather the leaders there, it's going to be massive, explosive. And then talking about you making money, I'm telling you, Titan is very good. There's no way you would be a top leader in Titan. You Titan for the next 6 months and you will not make money. Titan is good. It's a money-making machine. So one thing I'll tell you is just understand the concept, understand the marketing plan, how to explain the product, which is the Titan business. And also you have to be committed, right? You have to be committed, being persistent, right? We have many scams out there, but the most important thing here is that I want you to know that Titan Capital Markets is a sustainable business that will be here for many years. So you are building a long-term project. That is one thing you need to take note. And secondly, you being the top leader, okay, tells you something that anybody who is a top leader actually makes more money at the longer run. There's no top leader that would not, if there is a top leader and he doesn't make money, it means he didn't build a business well. And you having the plan to take over Nairobi, Nakuru, I'm telling you, bro, there's no way you surely make enough money. Thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars very soon. You just have to stay committed with the plan, stick to the plan, work harder, build a team, and then I'm telling you, bro, you saw the Supreme Challenge, the car awards and stuff that we have, the trip to Korea, and many more, right? All is here for you. We just need committed leaders who can really do the work. And when they do the work, they usually get a pay and they'll get the reward, right? So Jared, you have no problem, right? Just start with the initiation of the plan, start with the action, and then just let Babane know how you like us to support you guys, banners, or what do you want. You let us know for you guys to start the kickstart, to start doing some events, you know. But first of all, you guys have to be very committed to build Titan, focused, very important.
Mr. Manuel, we also have Mr. James. Hello, Mr. James.
What we can do as Kenya to start off, we can organize for a meeting with our top leaders. I think me and Jared, we can organize, we get like 20 top leaders who we know we can push this business. So we do a small meeting with them. And I think Jared, you can do the presentation, or maybe we can do a Zoom meeting while doing the physical meeting, so that we can start from there. You know, we need leaders. As Jared said, we need to work alongside other leaders. We cannot work alone. Yes, and we can identify leaders in those in maybe 4 cities, in Eldoret, Nakuru, Nairobi, Mombasa. Then we start off immediately, because I've seen the program is good. and it has money. It has money. I'll go through the PDF later myself. So, but I believe it's a very nice project.
That's great. That's great,
sure.
Mr. Prince. I heard about your plan. So if you plan to gather your core leaders, you can do that. We do it live, but I believe that from the first time of hearing these presentations, you won't be able to present it uh, like I did. So I think what's best is you can book an appointment with Mr. Babane, and I can present for your core leaders to give them better understanding to help you guys push this business in Kenya.
Right. So as you already know, Babane is one of the top leaders for Nigeria. So Babane also has access to management. So whenever you want to meet Red or you want management to present for you, right? I'm telling you guys, if you guys have big events, right? Just we can arrange even for Red to fly to Kenya. Red, will you go? Yeah.
I go back to Kenya. I went to Nairobi last time, and I'm very
Yeah,
willing to
yeah,
go back for you
yeah.
guys.
Yeah. So one thing, company is here. We have representative all around Africa, right? She is currently in Cameroon, right? We have people from Ghana also as well. People also in different countries, African countries. Okay, so they are going to really come to assist you guys if you guys are moving, because company it's not just online, it's also offline. So we have consultants all around Africa, all around the globe to actually assist all great leaders. So you guys are not left out. We are here with you. So you shouldn't be afraid. Just go and do the work, and then you get the pay whilst we also support. Very, very important.
So, Mr. Emmanuel, we also have Mr. James. Can you hear us, Mr. James?
Yeah, Mr.
James.
Yes, please, I can hear you. Yes, boss. I'm
Mr.
here.
James, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, let's hear you.
Hello, please, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, so I'm the assistant coach for Titan Capital Markets Ghana.
Okay.
So Babane, his assistant coach is from Titan Capital Markets. We have the local coach for Ghana. He is James Dadebo, and he's mostly in my Zooms. Right, any Zoom I go, he's in to make sure things are going on well. Right, so that's why he's here. You understand? Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah. Soon
So
we also have. Yeah. So great leaders. Soon. Me myself personally will come and meet you guys. I just want to see you guys on fire. When I see you guys on fire, me myself, I'm coming there to support you. So you guys should be on fire. Try your best. Do your plans very well, and then your roadmap should be clear. Focus, consistency, right? All is very important. And Titan will just make the impossible possible. Right?
Yeah.
So I
us.
believe that having Prince Kanja here and Jared here, we are good to go in Kenya.
Yeah. I feel Titan is very big,
Yes,
and we are
sure.
Yeah.
I think you got the right people in Kenya.
Great. Yeah, we are happy to be here with you guys. We are happy to be here with you guys. Right.
So
Okay.
thank you very much. Thanks
All
you
right.
very
Thank you,
much, Red.
everyone.
Thanks a lot. Red, we delayed you for over an hour, and you
Okay, it's
came
Emmanuel,
in.
you need to
Thank you
start
very
with
much.
Kenya. Emmanuel,
Yeah.
you need to start with coming to Kenya.
Yeah. If you need me, I come.
Yes, we'll come. Mr. Prince, just
if you need me, I'm coming.
Let's do some business. Once it picks, then you come over very fast.
Yes,
so right after this call, right, Babane, you can schedule a call with Jared and I, okay, so that we have leadership meeting also to see how we conquer Nakuru. Nakuru too is a business line, and then Nairobi also as well. I don't know about Mombasa, but like I know these two places and I know it's good. So we can plan and see how we can take over. Yeah,
Sure.
we have to. We are the best, bro. We'll be the best everywhere we go, and we have the right leaders here, so no worries.
Okay.
Sure.
Once again, thank you, Manuel. Thank you, Mr. Red. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. You tried.
Yes.
So especially for the patient. Thanks a lot. Mr. Prince, thank you. Mr. Jared, thanks. Emmanuel Baron, God bless you. I really appreciate you. So thanks a lot. So have a wonderful night, everyone.